My name is Martin Chouinard, VP Sales, Marketing, and Business Development at Nirvana Heat Pumps. Today we're going to review the benefits of the Nirvana heat pumps, a high-end, high-performance, durable, and energy-efficient range of machines that are proudly made in Canada. Let's start off by discussing heat pumps performance. The coefficient of performance, or COP, is an important aspect to consider when buying a heat pump. At Nirvana Heat Pump, all units have an independently tested COP over 6.0. This means for each kilowatt consumed, 6 kilowatt of heat go into the pool. This is way above the industry standard. Nirvana heat pumps have a 3-year parts and labor cover-to-cover warranty. Furthermore, the compressor has a 5-year warranty. The titanium heat exchanger has a 10-year warranty, and the unique fiberglass casing has a 15-year warranty. We're now going to talk about the components that make the Nirvana heat pumps unique. First of all, Nirvana is the only manufacturer with a fiberglass casing that are durable, easy to clean, and reduce noise. Next, Nirvana uses scroll compressors and R410A refrigerant that are renowned for their reliability and efficiency. All units use thermostatic expansion valve to regulate refrigerant flow according to outside weather conditions. They also have high-quality refrigerant filter dryers to protect the compressor and the refrigerant circuit. Nirvana manufactures a titanium double-coil heat exchanger that has a large surface for efficient heat transfer. This heat exchanger is housed in a fiber-reinforced 14-inch diameter nylon can, which reduces water velocity and erosion while maximizing heat transfer. The oversized 18 fin per inch evaporator uses enhanced surface copper tubing that also maximizes heat transfer. The heat pump also uses swept vane fan blades that help reduce noise. The digital control used by Nirvana is easy to set and can be connected to external automation systems that allow remote control over Wi-Fi networks. The Nirvana heat pumps are protected against corrosion. The fiberglass casing, the evaporator, the electric control box, and even the copper tubes inside all have corrosion-inhibiting treatments to maximize longevity. At Nirvana, quality is key. Each unit is tested at 7 different stages of production to ensure long-term reliability. Finally, Nirvana has an experienced R&D team and a state-of-the-art laboratory to remain at the forefront of the industry.